Good morning. Till now, we have been seeing so many things, right? In the previous lecture, we have been seen about the keyword variable and the arguments, right? In today's session, we are going to see about the new concept called global keyword. Global, what does mean it? So let's take I will having value, and I just want to print this value also, right? I just want to print this value. Okay, if I run this one, I'm absolutely getting my value as 10, but I just want to define some function. So I don't want that. I don't know what is that function, so I just take the function as thing, and I just defined, and inside that I have defined another a value, and I just want to print the value of a. So when I run this one, I'm getting same thing, right? No, I'm getting print a, and I'm getting only 10 print value, but I'm not getting print by this value, right? So I just want to print this one also. I am asking inside this one. This is my inside a, and this is my outside a, right? Outside, outside. I just want print these two things, whether I'm going to get or not. Only I'm getting outside. Why? Why I'm not getting this one? Is there any wrong? No, right? But I'm not getting. Oh, you need to call, right? Without calling, we didn't get right. We need to call the functions, then only we'll get right. So when I call this function, I'm getting inside is 12 and outside is 10, right? I'm absolutely getting. But what is I need to check the ID of this one address where it is pointing, right? So just check this one as well as I'll check. Okay, here itself print ID of x. Okay, let's run this one. X is not defined. Sorry, n is to 40. Okay, let's run this one. X is not defined. I'm not having x, right? Okay, in above also I have. Sorry. So let's run this one. You will be getting it is pointing to two different locations, right? But I don't want to use this. What if I have not initialized this one? I don't have that one value. But what I'm getting? It's pointing to same address. But I'm not defining anything, but it is taking this value. It means this is called as global. Global means throughout anything. Any way you can use global means. Okay? If you especially define the variable inside this one, let's talk a. Sorry. If you especially define here itself, oh, I'm defining a equals to 2, you can access or you can have a chance of getting that low value is within this block itself, because it is having only this limit. It means this is called a local. It means one street. If you compare in Hyderabad, A is looking like a Hyderabad, but B itself is a small street. It is local, that particular area. But if you take this A as Hyderabad, this is like a local variable. So whenever you have that particular local area, you will be follow those rules, right? In that particular local area. But if you have entire city, you need to follow all the things. But if you have in certain small area, you need to follow those steps. Correct, right? But I don't want these things. I just want another thing. I just define here itself global A. Global A. So when I run this one, I'm getting two different locations because I'm having two different values. I'm here itself defining global A. So same value printing inside and outside both say. I think so, right? So, but I don't want this one. When you want to call the functions itself, we have another set of function called globals. We need to use that function to use global variable declaration. But this is not the correct way, right? I don't want these things. I just want another thing. I'm just removing all this thing, all this stuff, and I'm going back. And we have a function called globals. So x is equals to globals, and I just want what is the value, right? I'm having I'm having a, and you can run this one. If you run this one, it is not only taking only a value. If you have globals, if you mention, if you have so many values to be equals to zeros, if you have any, how many variables in the outside, you can get it same thing. But I just want to change the value globals, globals of a equals to 15. Then I run this one, I'm getting, this is a defined thing. So global value is changed. So in this way you can use the function called global in the Python. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. That makes me to do more videos like this way. Thank you for watching.